Hi, this is Tom Arbuthnot, and this is a Tom Talks, and we're at the Polycom EEC, and we're going to be looking at various technologies and how Polycom works with Microsoft. I'm here with Steve. You just want to give yourself an introduction,
Steve Blackman, Solution Architect at Polycom, focusing on the Microsoft solutions, or the solutions that we have for Microsoft.
Great, thanks Steve. So here we are in front of a VVX Polycom phone, and this is a native Skype for Business phone.
It
is
is.
That right, Steve?
Absolutely. Natively registered to Skype for Business, and you can see the look and feel of the user interface on this very Skype-esque. So this is deliberately so we get a consistent user interface across all of the Polycom devices, from desktop phones through to the conference phones and the video systems. Absolutely.
So we see the familiar Skype colours, Skype icons, and buddy list here, I see.
Yeah, absolutely. Extending on to the expansion module, or the sidecar there, so your buddies on the sidecar. If you've got a lot of buddies, this is obviously not my phone.
Don't need a sidecar.
I don't have that many buddies. But yeah, absolutely. So you've got the standard dialing technique for meeting with an individual, or we can go on to here. We can take a look at the meetings that I, as a person, have got scheduled for today. And I'm effectively then able to go in, see details of that meeting, who else is invited to the meeting, the organizer,
So
our good friend Jonathan
native
Clark.
Exchange calendar. This is just
Absolutely, yep, absolutely. So this is my personal calendar, and it's a case of clicking to join the meeting.
Yeah.
Simple as that. If we want a meet now, I can go in here, and effectively this then creates a Skype for Business meeting on the AV MCU, and from there I can add additional participants to the meeting. So it is just like on your Skype client, the meet now.
So you really can
button.
drive from the phone. So if you're a worker that is mainly phone based, you're still a first party citizen in the Skype world. You're not kind of having a lesser experience, as it were.
Absolutely. And I know that a lot of instances, Skype for Business users are happy with a headset and a soft client on the PC, but a lot of users also like to have that traditional handset on the desk, and also you can combine this with the application on the PC, with the Skype Business client on the PC using better together over Ethernet, and that allows the phone and the PC then to work in sync. So you might, for instance, be in a position where you've got a fairly open plan office environment, and you still want to be able to do video calls. You can do that using the webcam on your PC, but you've got then the added privacy of being able to pick up the handset, and the audio path would be on the handset. So within the meeting environment, within the office environment, then you've got that privacy, and you've also got the noise block within that environment, because once you've picked up the handset, the speakerphone microphone is used to pick up ambient noise in the background, and it will then subtract it from the voice path. So not only have you got privacy, but you're actually giving a better experience to everybody else on the meeting as well. So you're cutting out that
so
background noise.
It's kind of like that noise cancelling technology you have on headsets, speakers, your Bose noise cancelling stuff, where it's pulling in the outside world and suppressing it.
Yeah, absolutely. So if you've got common area phones, for instance, noisy background environment, it filters out that noise. And I said, in conjunction with better together over Ethernet, the client on the desktop and the phone are tethered, and you can use the voice path interchangeably.
And this is Skype Business Online, Cloud PBX, and server as well.
Absolutely, and the Skype for Business Online, Office 365, Cloud PBX, whatever you want to call it, the management, provisioning, and software updates for the phones are all baked into that service. So it really is a hosted voice service. And if you take a look at the Skype Operations Framework documentation, you'll see all of the Polycom documentation in there listing the configurations for the Polycom phone. So absolutely, this is a plug and play hosted voice.
Good stuff. Cool. Thanks, Steve.
Thank you.